The upcoming Toyota Baby Land Cruiser is creating quite a buzz in the automotive world, and for good reason. This compact version of the iconic Land Cruiser is expected to deliver rugged capability in a smaller, more affordable package, making it appealing for both off-road enthusiasts and everyday drivers. Scheduled for launch around spring 2026, this model will likely target younger buyers and urban adventurers who want the Land Cruiser name without the full-size footprint. Toyota's strategy here seems to blend tradition with modern practicality, offering something unique in the crowded SUV market. At first glance, the Baby Land Cruiser stands out with its design. It embraces a boxy silhouette that recalls the legendary FJ Cruiser while adding modern touches that make it fresh and contemporary. Wide fenders, chunky bumpers, squared-off lines, and a rear-mounted spare tire reinforce its off-road character. The rugged styling is not just for show, it signals Toyota's intention to create a serious off-road machine that still looks stylish enough to drive around the city. Its compact proportions make it easier to handle in urban environments compared to larger SUVs, which is a big advantage for global markets. The vehicle is expected to sit on Toyota's IMV0 ladder frame platform, the same strong foundation that supports the Helix and Fortuner. This means durability and toughness are baked in from the start. Unlike many crossover SUVs that use unibody platforms, this body-on-frame construction is built to handle rough terrains, steep inclines, and long-distance adventures. This engineering choice shows Toyota's commitment to keeping the Land Cruiser name synonymous with true off-road ability. In terms of size, the Baby Land Cruiser will measure around 4.4 meters in length with a wheelbase of about 2.58 meters. This makes it significantly smaller than the standard Land Cruiser but still roomy enough for 5 passengers. The proportions are balanced for both practicality and agility, striking a sweet spot between compact SUVs and mid-sized off-roaders. Buyers can expect good cabin space for passengers and luggage while maintaining the nimbleness that helps in tight city streets and challenging trails. Under the hood, Toyota is likely to offer a couple of engine choices. A 2.7-liter petrol engine producing around 166 horsepower is expected as the entry option. This will be paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. For those wanting more power and efficiency, a 2.8-liter turbo diesel with mild hybrid assistance could also be available, mated to an 8-speed automatic. These engines are tried and tested in Toyota's lineup, known for reliability and endurance. While not focused on extreme speed, the emphasis here is on torque, durability, and the ability to pull through tough terrain. Performance will lean toward ruggedness rather than speed. Although official 0 to 100 km/h times have not been confirmed, the Baby Land Cruiser is expected to deliver strong low-end torque for off-road climbs, towing, and tackling mud, sand, and rocky paths. Full-time 4-wheel drive will likely come standard, which means drivers will get maximum traction in all conditions. Locking differentials, low-range gearing, and off-road drive modes may also be included to enhance capability. Fuel efficiency numbers are not officially available yet, but we can make some educated guesses. The petrol engine will probably deliver modest economy, while the diesel mild hybrid version should improve fuel savings thanks to regenerative braking and electric assist. Toyota has also hinted that hybrid or electric powertrains may be introduced in the future, but for the launch model, traditional combustion engines are more likely. Charging details do not apply to the petrol and diesel engines, but if Toyota eventually adds a hybrid or electric version, charging times and battery capacities will become important. For now, buyers can expect dependable range and easy refueling anywhere, which is a key advantage in remote areas where charging infrastructure is still limited. Inside, the Baby Land Cruiser is expected to strike a balance between rugged functionality and modern comfort. While official images are scarce, Toyota will likely keep the cabin simple and practical, with hard-wearing materials suited to adventure use. At the same time, expect modern features like a touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone connectivity, multiple USB ports, and advanced driver assistance systems for safety. The layout may also borrow cues from the larger Land Cruiser, but in a more compact, utilitarian form. When it comes to price, estimates suggest it will start below $50,000, which positions it as a more affordable entry point into the Land Cruiser family. This pricing strategy will open doors for a younger audience and those who have always admired the Land Cruiser but found the full-size model out of reach. Depending on the market, pricing could vary, but Toyota seems keen on making this a competitive option against rivals like the Ford Bronco Sport and Jeep Wrangler. The Baby Land Cruiser is expected to launch globally in 2026, with initial rollouts likely in Asia and key international markets such as Japan, Thailand, and possibly North America. Given Toyota's strong reputation for off-road vehicles, demand is expected to be high. As with any Land Cruiser, the model will be marketed not just as a vehicle, but as a lifestyle companion for outdoor adventure and exploration. In conclusion, the Toyota Baby Land Cruiser is shaping up to be a perfect mix of rugged heritage and modern practicality. It will give enthusiasts a capable 4x4 that is easier to live with daily, more affordable, and still ready for adventure. With its boxy design, proven engines, ladder frame platform, and global appeal, it has the potential to revive the spirit of the beloved FJ Cruiser while carving its own identity. If Toyota delivers on its promise, this SUV could become a future icon in its own right. Would you like me to make this script more storytelling style for a video voiceover, with hooks and transitions to keep viewers engaged throughout?